So welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how I play Govinda Hare Gopala. So I've heard this by Krishna Das originally. I went to see him in New York and that's where I heard him play it live, and then I just figured it out from that. I haven't been able to find an actual recording on Spotify, so if you like you can just go by the one that I do, or feel free to make up your own version and change it, right? Let yourself go with the flow. I play this in tuning of E, like regular tuning, right? With a capo on the 2nd fret. That's the way I'm going to show you now. I think the recording I have on the YouTube channel, if you want to look at that to go by that, it is down a half a step. So same thing, if you just want to change the capo, you could just move it down 1 fret to the 1st fret, and that would be the same thing, okay? So either way, let's get started. I'll put the chords up as we go along. This is going to be A minor, F, C, G, and C in that order for the verse. And then for the chorus, it's going to be F, G, C. And there's going to be an in-between switching, which I'll also show you. It's going to be a C chord, taking off the 3rd finger, placing the 2nd finger on the same string on the B note. Okay? It won't actually be a B because we're on the capo, but I'll show you as we go along. So I begin this song picking, and then I go into strumming for the rest of the song. I'll show you the picking first, then we'll move into the strumming. So I'll play it through once, then I'll explain it to you. Govinda Hare Gopala, Gopala Hare Govinda. Okay, so the chord order is A minor, which we've gone over already. I'll put I'll put diagrams up as we go along so you can see it, so I don't have to go through the chords. But I've gone over all of these chords, by the way, on YouTube channel, the YouTube guitar channel, and if you want to check those out, I have all the major minor chords, dominant sevenths, everything, okay? So we're going to start with an A minor in the regular form. It's not actually an A minor, it's moved up 2 frets, so it will be a B minor, but it's the A minor position, okay? And the picking for this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, like this. And most of these chords are going to be the same picking pattern. We're just going to substitute the 5 for the 6 when we're doing a chord that starts on the 6th string. So A minor is 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. So just like that. And you can go back and play that a few times first, get that finger picking comfortable because we're going to use it for the rest of the chords. So I'll play it slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. Then I'll move to an F next. 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. So 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. And slowly. What we've got so far, A minor, F, so sometimes what I do, just to change it up a little bit, I'll take my fingers off for the last note of the 5th string, so like this. Instead of hitting that note on the 4th string, I take the string off. See? And then you can switch faster. So if you're having trouble switching from the A minor to the F, hitting that note, you can switch, you can lift your fingers off the A minor, hit the open 4th string, and then hit the F after that. And it's easier to switch if you're having trouble switching fast. So that would be the regular switch. Then the switch, taking your fingers off the 4th string would be. See? So you can't really tell the difference when you hear it. It doesn't matter which way you do it. If you find it easier the second way, do it that way. Okay? So what we have so far, A minor, F. Then G. Same picking pattern as the F. Of course you can play the G, you know, this way if you want. Or you can play it this way. Okay, so whichever you like, whichever way you like to play the G. A minor, F, same picking for the G. So 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. See, it's got like a little bit of a rhythm to it, a little bit of a hanging, like takes its time, right? A little lag. So what we've got, A minor, F, G. Then we switch to C. C, we're going to play 5, 4, 3, 2, then 5, 3, 2, then we're going to move down 2nd finger where the 3rd finger was, on the 2nd fret instead of the 3rd fret. Okay? Nothing else, just the 1st finger stays where it is. So same thing as a C chord, except you move the 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the 5th string, remove the 3rd finger, and you play the same thing, 5, 3, 2. So I'll show you how I do it real quick so you can see, slow. It's going to be, C is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. Okay, together. The 2 and the 3 are always together. Like that. We're going down. And then it goes back to A minor and you start over again. So C, I'll play it for you slowly so you can see. And that's the A minor. Okay? So I'll play the whole thing for you very slowly so you can hear, and then I'll play it quickly and you'll see how it all goes together. Quicker. And that's the whole thing. So what I do is I only play that like twice like that. I'll play it 2 times picking, and then when I go into the chorus, which is the Radhe part, when I go to the chorus, I'll switch and I start strumming, and then the rest of the song I strum. But if you want to pick, you can do the picking for the other part as well. You can also pick it. You know, you would use very, very similar picking to what I just did if you wanted to pick it. I strum it, so I'll show you how I do that now. Let's move into the next part. We're going to go same chords that we just did. A minor, F, G, C, then C with the B bass note, just moving down 1 fret, and then A minor. That's the chords for the verse, but I'll show you how to strum it now. So the whole strumming pattern pretty much is going to be down, down, up, down, up, like this, very slowly. I'll play it for you. Govinda Hare Gopala, And that's it. So now what we do is down, A minor. So we start with A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, F. Down, down, up, G. Down, down, up, down, up. Then C. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Right? So when we get to C, it's down, down, up, then down on C, down on the same thing as before, moving the second finger to the B note or the second fret on the 5th string. So it's just like stairs going down. And then A minor. Each one gets one strum. I'll play that for you slowly now. So just like that. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. C, 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 B, A. Right? C, 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 B, A. And just like that, I'll play it for you, the whole thing slowly now so you can hear, and then I'll speed it up. Faster. Okay, so that's the whole verse. The words for the verse are Govinda Hare Gopala, then Gopala Hare Govinda. So it's just one way and then the opposite, and it keeps repeating that way for the verse. Okay, I'll put a little PDF attachment with the words written out so you can see what the words are if you have any questions about the way they're pronounced. And also, don't worry about that too much, right? In the Krishna Das stuff, it's always like, you know, not everything's pronounced perfectly, and that's fine. I don't pronounce everything perfectly, and it's not a big deal. The most important thing is feeling, right? The energy that's produced from feeling it and being in the vibration, in that rhythm. So enjoy it. Don't worry about that. And now the chorus. So F, G, then same chords as before, the stairs part going down. So C, moving the second finger to the second fret of the 5th string. Same thing as the C chord though. And then A minor. Okay? The strumming pattern is still the same, and I'll show you how it goes slowly first. So F, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, 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 B, A, F, G, down, up, and C, C, B, A. So same strumming as before almost. F, down, down, up, down, up. Then G, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? F, 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 G, 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 C, 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 B, A, right? So, the same thing as before almost. I'll play it very slow for you now. And that's the whole song. So I'll play that for you now, singing over it so you can hear how it goes. Radhe Radhe Govinda Gopala. Govinda Gopala. Radhe Radhe Govinda Gopala. Govinda Hare Gopala. And that's it. The words for the second part are Radhe, or it's usually done with in Hindi, to my best of my knowledge, it's pronounced with a roll, just like, sort of like in Spanish a little bit, like right? Radhe Radhe Govinda Gopala. And that's the words. Radhe Radhe Govinda Gopala. And that's all the words for the chorus. Okay? So if you have any questions, again, I'll have a PDF with all of the words, and I'll put the chord little diagrams up here throughout the video, which you've probably already known because I've probably already done it. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you with any clarifications if necessary, okay? So until then, happy practicing. Remember, especially with these mantras and Sanskrit songs, enjoy it, feel it. That's what matters. Don't worry about anything else, if it's perfect or not. I definitely change the strumming up sometimes, the picking, and if you've noticed, I've been using my hand. I play a lot with my hand. Same exact thing though with the pick. It's the same strumming pattern with the pick, so don't worry about it. I just use my finger and thumb as my picks, okay? So same exact thing. So until next time, guys, have fun, happy practicing, and thanks for joining me. Take care.